Hi, I am Pradeep Srivastava. Welcome to you, my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to make calculation work easy. Now I will tell you divisibility rule. Number divisible by conditions. Example: 2. If the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Example: 18. 3. Sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. 318. 4. Last two digit is divisible by 4. For example, 6584. 5. Last digit is 0 or 5. For example, 625. 6. Number divisible by 2 and 3. For example, 48. 7. Twice of last digit is subtracted from rest number. Answer is divisible by 7. By 7. 546. 8. Last three digit is divisible by 8. 1369. Sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. Example: 720. 10. Last digit is 0. For example, 1320. That's all for today. In next video, you will study how to calculation work make easy.